Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Grundle Swab, how's it going? Good, sir. Ziva, welcome. Glad to see you got your desk mat already. Oh, man. How are your evenings going? I need to like try to free up this space here. I know some streamers, they like put their mics like all the way off to the side. So, I don't know. I might have to do that. Just speak a bit louder, maybe. Something like this. Hey, True, how's it going? What's up? What's up? Let me just turn up the gain a bit. Black Velour just got my desk mat today. It's so good. Well, I'm so glad you like it. Thank you for being so patient with it. I appreciate that. I know it can be frustrating, but I'm glad you got it. Input, what's up, man? My good friend Input Universe, how's it going? Ziva, thank you so much. I really like the thank you card. Yes, I'm glad you appreciate it. I hand wrote all of them. So yeah. You know, sometimes you get those handwritten notes from people and you're like, oh, that's so nice. And then you look closely and it's just a really well printed card that makes it look like they wrote on it. But yes, I legit wrote on all of them. True Pyro, good. Just got the dogs fed and situated. Now on to wire management, listening to the stream. Nice, thanks, dude. I really appreciate you dropping by. I know you're really things are really hectic for you and you're really busy, so I appreciate that. Yeah. So we got a pretty chill stream today. Lubing 70 Gateron Milky Yellows for my good friend's son, who just recently got into keyboards. And he's like, he has me on speed dial now. He's like texting me and asking me all these questions, and good questions too. Like he does his own research. He doesn't just ask you whatever, you know, questions that are like, if you just Google search it, it's pretty standard. He asked me very specific questions, so it's always nice to influence. And it's so funny because he was telling me how oh yeah, you know, my son, like, he likes basketball. Now he's into keyboards. I wonder who he got his influences from. I don't know, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh yes, one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Just my face. So check this out. To like move my hat down a bit more. Input, watching you while I'm at work, lols, just started on site again, Sag. Ah, I see. Is work okay though? Is work treating you well at least? I hope so. Yes, the hat. I got some dad hats made, some prototypes. They weren't cheap. But yeah, I've been negotiating with this local embroidery company, and finally managed to get 5 hats. I think 5 hats done. So yeah. So tell me what you guys think about the hat. I'm just gonna bring up another one here because I don't have to take off this one. Just have to like lint roll it. I don't want you guys thinking I'm a dusty boy. Taco beanie. Oh God. Let's 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 take things one step at a time, shall we? Off topic, but that sloth plush is cute as. Yeah, it is. It is. It's my girlfriend's. So here's the hat. I should probably just show it on my higher quality camera. So here's the embroidery. So there's a few things that I tried to align before they actually printed. I think the logo is slightly off center. This one looks a little more centered. The one I'm wearing is a little off. But the quality of the embroidery is nice. The pink is really nice. And another thing I realized, I didn't realize until I actually put the hat on, is that the logo actually sits kind of high. So when I actually go into like a larger scale production, I'm asking them to like maybe move the logo down a little bit more, just so you can see the logo a bit better, you know. Like it feels like even a centimeter lower. I think it would be better. So Obergeimen wave Matsutake to Takoyakeys, yay, non-keyboard caps. Yes, well, you could say it's keyboard because that box switch stem in the middle. Send me a cap, lols. Looks like I'll have to. It's kind of like, it's like semi-scuffed though, because it's I'm trying to figure it out. So like there's a bit of residue that comes off from the sticker, which I don't like at all. I'm gonna look up ways to like erase that. And then yeah, the logo, as I said, it doesn't sit in the perfect position, but yeah, we'll talk input. But yeah, I'm glad you guys seem to like it. The quality's fine, and then of course, you know, I could make more money per hat if I like did this through like AliExpress or something, but I decided to go with the local vendor, especially because like with all the manufacturing issues, like, you know, of course this embroidery company is probably going to order from China anyways, but I figured I'd at least support a local business, maybe develop some relationships in my area. So yeah. Death by Coffee. Hey, how's it going? Hey, Taco, so good to catch you early in the evening. For me, that logo looks so good. The pink is so vibrant. LMAO AliExpress taco hats. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. The first round desk mats that I made. Let me just scroll down my. Like these desk mats that I sold on my own. They were from AliExpress, and if I really wanted to make it cheaper, I probably could have gone through Alibaba, but because I developed like a kind of a relationship with these people when I was like sampling and made prototypes of these desk mats way before, I decided to just stick with them. Where is it? Oh man, just scrolling through this like brings back memories. Man, that's crazy. All the way to the beginning. Yeah, this was just like, may have ordered some custom desk mats. When was 63 weeks ago, August 30th, 2020. So yeah, you know, and the quality was actually decent. It's just a matter of like, do I want to support a local business or not? And I decided to go that way. So again, a little bit of a hit on the profits, but it's okay. I'm not in here to make profits. I'm not like using this brand to like pay the bills or anything like that. I have a full-time job, so I can choose. I have the choice. Obergeimen, right here I will say I almost never ever wear or display pink things, but this cap I shall wear. Well, here's the thing. Here's the interesting thing. So, if any of you were to see me out in public, you probably would not deem somebody like me to be wearing anything pink either, or to be representing, or to be a brand that is like the main brand colors is basically white and pink, maybe black, but mainly it's white and pink, as you can see. But I don't know, I love it now. I love pink now. Like, I never had a problem with pink. It just wasn't a part of my repertoire. You know, it wasn't a part of my, a regular color in my closet. Like, I wear really dark colors. I like gray. I like navy. You know, most of the colors that I show or express myself through is through sneakers, which can have like really vibrant colors. But like, yeah, for the most part, like hats maybe like red and stuff, but it's most of the stuff I own is dark. But ever since this brand, it just became its own thing. Like, who would have thought I would have like pink desk mats, just like one in the back you can see right there. And I love it. It's been great. I will say though, I'm experimenting with, maybe I'll have a black on black logo for the people that like the stealthy look, and the cost might not actually be too bad, given that I'm using the exact same color hat. The logo's the same, the placement's going to be the same, they're just changing the threads. So I should probably respond to their email about that, just to move that conversation forward. I think it'd be worth making some like black on black stealthy hats too. Death by Coffee. I also wear a lot of dark colors. I just have colorful socks. Yeah, exactly. I like that pop of color, but like the main primary canvas, let's say, is just like neutral stuff. But because you can wear because you wear like neutral colors, you can pretty much mix and match with any type of socks or shoes, and it'll still look really nice. That's kind of like my fashion style. But I agree, the pink on your brand is really nice. Yeah, I love it. Obergeiman, Taco, that's the thing. This Keep community has opened my mind to more colors and styles. It's been highly educational and eye-opening. Yes, absolutely. Like colors that I never thought I would like rep. Like what? Like orange and green? Are you kidding me? You know what I mean? But it works. Like before all of this, the amount of color that you see here would not be here. It would just be like a black or gray desk mat. The keyboard would probably be black with black keycaps. The rest will probably be black. Everything will just be black. And then the pop of color will be from this Razer logo. You know what I mean? Nothing else. There wouldn't really be much else. But only because of this community and how it's allowed me to express myself creatively, artistically, I guess, to the extent that I've been able to express it. Through my brand and through my products. Yeah, it's just really opened up my inner artist, it has removed my color bias. I don't know how else to explain it. But yeah, black on black I think would look really nice. I think it would for sure. Obergeiman, how much more black can this be? The answer is none more black. What? Spinal Tap. Yes, precisely. My desk would otherwise have two colors on it. Yeah, exactly. No such thing as too much black. Obergeiman. Oh, I Spinal Tap. I thought you were referencing a movie. Okay, I should probably get started a little bit on. Just hold on here. Just off screen, I'm gonna reach out to my friend here, let him know that I'm streaming. So, okay, just let him know. All right. Yeah. Oh, there's a few other things that I'd like to. I don't know if an announcement makes it sound really like big, but there've been a few. You know what? Let's call it announcements. There's a few things if you stay with me here. Let's say after I open up all these switches, I'll make a tiny announcement. Worthy of being called an announcement, let's say. Okay, so bottom housing will go here. Let's remove this wrist rest for now. Sorry, Barrett Creative. I just need the space. Okay, let's get the switch opener. Hope everyone's doing well, having a nice week. I don't know if any of you have seen, and those of you who don't live in Vancouver, we've had some pretty bad rain, pretty heavy rain, and it's caused flooding, it's caused landslides, it's caused a lot of chaos. Some people. Very nice of you to reach out to me. For those that did, they reached out to me and were like, is everything okay? Like, are you affected? Yeah, I'm fine. I live in the city, it's low elevation, but we're fine. I'm fine. So thanks for asking. Yeah, but thankfully the rain let up yesterday, in the afternoon, so hopefully it doesn't rain for at least a few more days, just to let everything like settle and soak through, I guess. Death by coffee. So Canada's either on fire or having massive floods. Yeah, pretty much, I will say. Yeah, it's like, where the hell were you, Rain, in the summertime when we really needed you? Yeah. But yeah, I've also been talking with my girlfriend about when I should have a consistent streaming schedule. I really should. The whole idea was like I should just stream whenever I have something that I feel like is worthy of streaming. Or like when I feel like streaming, I don't want it to feel like a job because this is my hobby. That being said, I have like a big enough fan base. I'm very grateful for that and following. And so, I should create some sort of like schedule to be able to interact with people on a regular basis. So, yeah, so hopefully in the next week or two, I'll be able to, let you guys know of a schedule, and who knows, like maybe that can change on any given week, but at least having something set in place. Of course, I'm going to do everything I can to meet that schedule because, otherwise, what the hell's the point, right? So, Death by Coffee. I don't mind the lack of a schedule. It makes me appreciate catching them for sure. Okay, I appreciate that perspective. That being said, if I feel like streaming in a different day, then, I'll just hop on and just do like an impromptu stream. I was also thinking about maybe having a day where I stream like playing video games, because I would love to be able to just interact with you guys while I play some like crazy stuff. Like that's where a lot of fun happens. And even when I watched a lot of YouTubers on Let's Plays and stuff like that, I really enjoyed that, just like seeing how they react and stuff like that. So, I promise I'm not like the overly exaggerated screaming type of gamer. So, and of course, if I do really annoying things, I hope you guys will call me out on it or let me know. Because otherwise, it's like Nobody will want to watch, and that's the point of streaming, is to like to have people watch and to be able for me to be able to interact with you guys. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe we can have like some video game suggestions, and I could just, you know, download it, buy it on Steam, and then play it, something like that. Death by Coffee. What games do you like playing? I'm not very good at shooter games. I'm willing to play it, you know, as long as it's like fun and like, you know, and I'm sure you've heard or seen me play League of Legends, but I know that isn't the most appealing to everybody either, because like it can be really technical and confusing for people that have not played the game before. But there are some games that like you've never played before that are very easy to understand. You know, you can play as a community, you can like play with other streamers or influencers in the community. You know, and of course with viewers. Yeah, I don't know. Like I really enjoyed Coward, if you guys know Coward, when she was playing Resident Evil. That was a lot of fun to watch. You know, something with a storyline that you could follow. I'm down for that. Those types of games, like single player games. RPGs, I don't think you guys will enjoy me playing RPGs because I'm a freaking farmer and a hoarder, and I search every nook and cranny, and so that'll probably get frustrating. So probably wouldn't be fun for you guys to watch that. So yeah. And of course, like, a lot of games now have like a farming element. Yeah, but you know, some games it's like a huge core part of the game. Like probably not the best thing to stream. I could try it, and if people don't like it, I can just switch it up. Like Diablo. Wait, did I read your Path of Exile comment? Path of Exile, maybe, but there's a huge farming element to that too, though, right? My significant other's roommate is a Path of Exile fanatic. I mean, the fact that it's so big now, or it continues to be popular, is really cool. 1 second. My girlfriend made cookies, and I'm just gonna grab it and be right back. I'll just be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Back with some elf themed cookies. It turned out pretty nice. Oh, Origami on 588. Welcome. This is my friend that I was talking about. I'm making I'm lubing these switches for his son. Welcome. This is so calming and relaxing to watch. Yes, I selected a jazz playlist. I usually play lo-fi, which is also calming. But I've used the lo-fi playlists on most of my streams, so I thought I'd switch it up. Yeah, these cookies are great. It's the Pillsbury Doughboy brand. They have like the seasonal ones. They had the Halloween ones. We had to buy that last Christmas. It's a tradition for me and my girlfriend to buy. Well, it was her tradition, and she's like, "This needs to be a tradition with us too." Like, I'm fine with it. Buy the seasonal cookies. Buy the Christmas cookies. I doubt Miss Obi Dobers can make bad ones. Yeah. She has experience for sure. Just gonna adjust my headphones. When I bake those, I'll eat like 2 sleeves in a sitting. They're so good. Yeah, we have to control it. We control it a bit more because yeah, it can get out of hand pretty quickly. But yeah, welcome, Origamian. It's so nice to see you here. Hope you had a good weekend, man, and hope your job's doing. Whoa. Hope everything's good at your job. Oh, damn it. Sleeves, cookie sausages. It's so easy to eat so many. It's not the sausage type. It's like a tray. The tray type. Y'all got fancy. Well, I mean, that's just the ones that have the designs on it, and it's there. I don't know. I didn't know that was fancy. It's going great, thanks, and thanks so much for doing this. Hey, man, of course. No problem. I was just talking about how you're like, my son likes basketball, and then now he likes keyboards. So. Who's influencing this? Those are nice. They don't turn into blobs. Oh, I think we can get them in sausage type packaging. Really? I'll take a look next time I drop by the grocery store, but I definitely do see the sausage type packaging. It's definitely common with like the croissants and other things, but I don't know if I've seen like other seasonal ones sold in that type of packaging, but I'll take a look. I'll keep my eye out. I gotta say, Gat Milky Yellows, these switches they feel pretty solid. They feel pretty nice. Like the material that they're using here are better than a lot of like the regular Gateron, and I don't know. The top housing can seem pretty flimsy for some of these cheaper switches, but these ones seem quite solid. I can totally understand why these are called like the Budget King linear switches. Okay. I gotta like pace myself appropriately, as in speed up as much as I can, because otherwise I'm gonna be up pretty late. And I don't want to do this. I want to do this all in one sitting. It's like, once everything's set up, like I don't want to have to, because this is also my day job workspace too, right? So I have to like put everything away and aside, and I don't want to have to do that. Didn't press hard enough. There you go. Sausage. I mean, yeah, sausage is also great. I don't know what it is. In like some of the Chinese fried rice that you sometimes get, they have like this sweet tasting, yeah, it's got a bit of sweetness to it. It's like chopped up and mixed in with the fried rice. It tastes so good. Oh no, I don't like the Chinese sausage. The sweet taste I don't like. Oh, okay. So maybe you also don't like Hawaiian pizza, because I actually like the sweetness in Hawaiian pizza too. That's kind of a waxed sausage. Heresy. I don't understand. Like, it's just a preference. You know what I mean? It's not like... Pineapple on pizza, gang, rise up. Like, we're not harming you, you know, by making this decision. It's like preferring a clicky to a linear or tactile switch, you know? It's like a preference. You're harming the pizza. Wow. That's quite the elitism there, Death by Coffee. Judging by your name, I'm sure you have some opinions about coffee also. My partner loves it, so I think it works out. Yeah, see? See, if you really believed it was truly heresy, you would not be with your partner. You would... as soon as you found out, you would have, like, immediately left. Like, no nothing. No note. No goodbye. No nothing. Just you would have left. So there are exceptions. No goodbye down. I'm just judging just based on the way that you're describing, you know, pineapple on pizza eaters. It's not my words, it's yours. So you tell me. You tell me. Oh, I feel like this playlist is like replaying. I picked this playlist because it said it was like an hour and a half. I'm like, oh, that's great. But it seems like it's repeating like the same 5 songs for an hour and a half. Death by Coffee. To be fair, I shouldn't feel so strongly. I like pineapple and sweet sour pork and stuff. Oh man, sweet and sour pork or ginger beef. Oh man, so good. I don't care what anybody says, like, oh, it's not authentic. It's like, I know it's not authentic, but I still love it. Like, I love dim sum, and I also love that Americanized Chinese food too, you know, like. I should probably have another cookie. Tasty food is tasty food regardless of where it comes from. I agree. What is this link? You do this to me every time, dude. You show me a photo of like your lunch or something you recently ate when you know it's evening for me and I'm like, I'm on a diet, I'm not trying to eat unhealthy stuff. And then you just show me this like really delicious food, and then I always end up regretting clicking your links. Always. I always get mad at you. But like, I'm a sucker, right? If I keep clicking those links and I keep getting angry, it's like, well, I now am responsible partly for my own anger. Yes, at least I have cookies this time, so we'll make an exception. We'll click this link. God damn it. I'll just eat another cookie right now. Overgaiman. Gulu Ro. Golo Yuk Cantonese. Axel Troy. Welcome. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Instead of keebs, we get food. Yeah. Yeah, he came at a good time. I just clicked on one of our viewers, one of chat's links. That does look really good. Oh my god, the vegetables are actually cooked like properly, not overcooked. It looks like. That's when you know it's proper. It's not like soggy vegetables. Alright, that's enough of that. You're killing me, dude. You're absolutely killing me, man. Almost done, and then I can make that little mini announcement I was talking about before. Uh, 3-cup chicken. What is 3-cup chicken? Correct. Very, very important. Yes. Yes, we agree on that for sure. All right. Switch number 70. All right. Put this away for now. Please. Thank you. All right. Do bag lubing after. I should probably do this first. Lube the bottom housing. Get my lube brush. Put the stem top housing aside. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, this guy's being covered up. Should probably move him here. The little Takoyakeys plushie here. Okay. Yes. So you guys ready? Oh my god. Shut up. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's look at this 3-cup chicken. What is this? Taiwanese sanbeiji. Oh, so it's like you literally use 3 cups of chicken and then you cook it up. That looks amazing. I'm gonna close it now because you did it to me twice today, man. That's not cool. That's not cool. We'll have some words later. All right. So, I just wanted to say I'm now a proud owner of a new keyboard, which you guys might recognize. It's a keyboard that I have been wanting for quite some time and sad that I have not been able to obtain. But one of my friends in the community, well-known member of the community, I found out he was selling it. And I managed to reach out to him before he sold it to somebody else. And I managed to get it. I think it's been about a week and a half since I got it. You guys want to guess what it is? Sesame oil, rice wine, soy sauce equals 3 cups. I see. So 3 ingredients, basically. Origami. Wasn't expecting a keyboard stream to make me hungry. Yeah, this guy does this to me every freaking stream. Origami. It surely doesn't start with a G or F. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a good guess, though. It's a good guess. And I think you guessed correctly, because I am now the proud owner of a GeonWorks Frog TKL. In the dark green. And win keyless. I've never had a win keyless before. So I'm so happy that I got this keyboard, guys. Like, absolutely thrilled. And just a few days ago, I got these keycaps from Milky. I found out about the existence of Milky here in Toronto, and they're selling an in-stock PBT 9009 keycap set. And of course, 9009, as you know, has pink or green accents, and I'm like, those green accents are gonna look great with this frog. And of course, gray and beige is also gonna look great on this. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. Honestly, I think this is the keycap set that I'm just gonna, it's not a GMK set, people can talk about that if they want to, but it's a very solid, very nice, high quality keycap set that I think I'm just gonna stick with on this keyboard because it just looks so great. So Milky, I believe, is in Toronto. Yeah, if you go to the shop, keycap sets, they sell the EPVT GOK black on white keycap set. Like, black on white, you can never go wrong. 9009, you can never go wrong. And these are all, I believe, in stock. EPVT Korean, PBT gray Japanese, pink on black. Oh, that's really nice too. And these are in stock, guys. Yeah, this is the one I got. The red is nice, but like for the frog, I gotta use the green accents, right? And one thing that I bought, so I bought this, and I realized that Win Keyless uses a 10U spacebar instead of your typical 6.25 unit with spacebar. And fortunately, this one had it, so it worked out. Yeah, it's very, very comprehensive like set that basically fits everything. I might actually have to buy like some of these other ones. Pink on black, that's great. That's like my colors right there. Black on white. Yeah, that's solid. Solid. So definitely check out Milky if like, there's some of these sets like are usually sold out or you don't find it elsewhere. So and they wrote me a really nice thank you card, handwritten. So it's so nice that you managed to get that before it was sold elsewhere. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I'm thrilled. Here, I'll give you guys a close-up of it. And of course, the S.A. Ramsey's archetype keycap, if it'll focus right there. And that gray perfectly matches this set. Yeah, my girlfriend helped pick that out for me. So yeah, it sounds great too. It's so I didn't have to build anything. It's a soldered board, and it has creamsicle switches in there already that Lux cables, lubed and soldered everything into here. I'm not the biggest fan of linear switches, as you guys know, but these definitely feel really nice. They're very clean. They sound great on this keyboard. Yeah, I got absolutely no complaints. I'm super happy with this. Yeah, maybe we can do a quick sound test actually. Let's go into monkey type mode. Let's see if the monkey type mode works properly as it should. Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna bring the wrist rest back actually. And it actually works pretty well with the wrist rest because it has that green accent on the Takoyakeys logo, which kind of matches with the frog. So it's nice. I like it. All right, let's do a quick type test here. All right. Is this good for you guys? Can you guys hear that okay? Okay, it sounds like you can hear it just fine. Maybe I'll turn up the gain just a little bit. Okay. All right. Oh, what's going on? What? Why isn't it working? Of course, right when I try to do a freaking sound test, it stops working. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, the stream is tripping out right now. The camera just stopped working. Hey guys, can anyone hear me? I don't see anything in chat. I'm gonna have to restart the stream, guys. I don't know what's going on. Like, I just restarted my, okay. Alright, sorry guys, I will be right back.